Howdy folks, we're live at 11:12 p.m. running a mini for Mark's AFA Luke. I got 30 spots here. I believe the top 4 win spots in the main. I'm gonna copy these. Yeah, top 4 get spots in the main. Gonna paste them in 1 through 30. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5-er. We got a 9. We're golden. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Jason in the top spot for our first round. Steve 2, Lucas 3, Jason 4, Steve 5, Jason again on top in 6, Steve 7, Andrew around 8, and our winners are Mark, Steve, Scott, and Andrew. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code and official results, ZNPINN. There you have it, which means I'm done at 11:13 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.